Welcome to the Learning Pines YouTube. We hope this video helps.
You want discrete visual alerts, and the front flash is the only way. This method uses the phone camera LED or bright screen as a notification light. It works when vibration or sound are inappropriate in meetings or quiet spaces. You must confirm your phone has a front LED or can flash the screen brightly. Expect different results on various models. Plan flash settings carefully to preserve battery life and avoid creating a distracting strobe effect in shared spaces. Install a trusted flash notification app that explicitly supports front flash. Grant camera permission and notification access when the app prompts you. In settings, select front LED or screen flash as the output source. Pick a flash duration from 1 to 3 seconds to balance visibility and battery use. Configure which apps trigger the flash, such as calls, SMS, or messaging apps. Add exceptions for Do Not Disturb and sensitive apps to avoid unwanted alerts at night. Test the front flash behavior across common notifications to verify reliability. Adjust brightness between 70 and 100% for clear visibility in daylight. Reduce frequency and duration if you notice rapid battery drain or device warming. If flash fails, restart the camera or reinstall the app to reset permissions. Check for OS updates that affect camera APIs and regrant access after system upgrades. Finally, keep emergency contacts allowed while minimizing
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.